Hello, こんにちは。It's Sushi-Chan. Today, we will study how to say but in Japanese. Are you ready? Let's get started. When you want to say but in Japanese, you can say でも. Here is the formula. Sentence A but sentence B in English is sentence A でも sentence B in Japanese. For example, if you want to say I like dogs, but I don't like cats in Japanese, you can say 私は犬が好きです。でも、猫は好きじゃないです。Do you remember? In Japanese, you can omit the subject if it is obvious. In this sentence, you can obviously tell the person who likes dogs is the same person who doesn't like cats. That's why the subject in the second sentence is obvious and it can be omitted in the second sentence. You can refer back to Lesson 4 if you want to review the rule. Another example, if you want to say, it is raining, but I am outside, you can say, 雨が降っています。でも、私は外にいます。One more example. How can you say, I have a driver's license, but I don't like driving in Japanese? You can say, 私は運転免許を持っています。でも、運転は好きじゃないです。Great job! Today's new words! Let's learn new words that are used in today's lesson. Have 持っている Driver's license 運転免許証 Driving 運転 Homework time! Please review but in Japanese. I will test if you understand this important grammar point. And of course, I will upload a weekly video about an introduction to cool Japanese culture during this week. Please check it out. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so by clicking the subscribe button. That way, you won't miss any future lessons. See you soon! Bye bye!